So hi guys, I will be showing you how to, so if you flash something wrong, like a ROM or something, try to download CyanogenMod, and it doesn't work, I got a fix, but this is for Samsung Galaxy Victory. So I'm going to boot this thing up into recovery, and I will show you. Sorry, but I don't have my tripod right now. Okay, so this is in Team 1 Recovery Project. So if you don't have twerp installed, you gotta install that, you gotta be rooted. So I'm about to wipe everything. So you know, like, you'd be like, oh yeah, so you think that this zip is gonna work unless you got a backup. I don't have a backup, so I'm basically just doing this by my damn self. So I do not have a backup for Let's Phone or anything. See, I got no backup for it except that. That one doesn't work. But if you do got a backup, it's restored. But anyway, if you don't, you got another phone that's installed. This is it. Oh, please tell me I got my SD card in here. Yeah, I got my SD card in here. Okay, so Conquest is it. Let me zoom up on that. 11.2 zip. So like, and then you try this, right? You think it's gonna work. Like me, I did this. And it fails. Like, wait, what? So then you try to reboot it. System, no OS installed, you don't know what the hell that is. So you're just gonna naturally reboot it. You're gonna say do not install, whatever that is. You're gonna basically think that it's gonna turn back on, but watch. I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute. See, it's gonna keep staying at that logo. Then just gonna wait for like a couple minutes. Still stuck at that logo. So here's a fix for it. And sorry guys for the extra background noise. Just like block it out, I guess. But anyway. So, my battery's at 70%, it should be over 17, but here we go. But, like, here's a fix. So, that zip didn't work right. You just have the backup zip from that. That's a fix, basically. It's flashing. If you're not a complete idiot and you delete the zip after you flash it, don't do like that. This is just a Conquest zip I got off of the thing. I'll put the link inside the description. And I'll be right back. Here's a little quick review, a little quick update. It's installing right now, so I'll be back in a minute. So hey, I'm back. Here we go, and it's time to finish. Okay, so it's finished. And now a custom OS is running now on here. Drag. And just because you guys know where I'm sitting at, I'm sitting on the top of the toilet. I'm not going to the back of that. I'm just on here just to be on here. I do have shorts on there, and that's like, control C down. Just because there's always, you should put a black through. Alright, so all I have to say is, once you see that welcome sign, you're in.